Good evening to everyone. We have moved the topic on flexible manufacturing system. The flexible manufacturing system in 5th unit for computer design and manufacturing system history. The FM was first conceptualized for machining. FMS's flexible manufacturing system was conceptualized for machining and it required the period development of numerical control. This concept is credited to David Williamson, a British engineer during mid 1960s. In late 1960s, the first FMS machining system was installed at Ingersoll Rand Company in Virginia. Germany implemented its first FMS in 1969 in cooperation with the University of Stuttgart. Russia and Japan implemented FMS in 1972. What is FMS? A flexible manufacturing system is a automated machine shell consisting of a group of processing workstation interconnected with the automated material handling and storage system. The FMS is most suited for the mid-volume production range and CNC1, CNC2, CNC3. This is the temperature storage area. Why FMS? External changes such as change in product design and production system, optimizing the manufacturing cycle time, reduced production cost, overcoming internal changes like breakdown sets. What make it flexible? Three capabilities that a manufacturing system must possess to be a flexible. The ability to identify the distinguish among the different part styles processed by the system, quick changeover of operating instruction, and quick changeover of physical setup. It makes the flexible. Classification of FMS. Flexible manufacturing system can be distinguished according to the number of machines in the system. The following are typical categories: single machine cell, flexible manufacturing cell, flexible manufacturing system. First, single machine cell SMC. A single machine cell consists of one CNC machining center combined with a part storage system for unattended operation. Completed parts are periodically unloaded from the part storage unit and raw work parts are loaded into it. This is shown in diagram for single machine CNC, single machine cells. Next, flexible manufacturing cell FMS. A flexible manufacturing cell consists of 2 or 3 processing workstations, typically CNC machining centers, plus a part handling system. The part handling system is connected to a load or unload station. This is the workstation CNC machine load or unload station. Next, a flexible manufacturing system has 4 or more processing workstations connected mechanically by common part handling. This diagram visualizes 4 or more processing workstations connected by mechanically common part handling. Then next, basic component of FMS workstation: automated material handling and storage system, computer controlled system. Next, workstation: substation, load unload station, machining stations, other processing station, assembly. Material handling system: the automated forklifting and rail traveler, computer control programmable logic controller. PLC system overview: screw terminal for input lines, PLC controller, PC for PLC programming, screw terminal for output line. Allied signals flexible manufacturing system. This is the allied signal flexible manufacturing system is central chips coolant system, automatic guided vehicle and machining center, wash station, control room, coordinate measuring machines, under machines, part review station, storage station, tool setter, fixtures build station, load or unload station. 5 machines FMS for machining in Milagron. This is the 5 machines. Next, human resources. The human are needed to manage the operations of FMS. Functions typically performed by human includes loading raw work parts into the system, unloading finished part. Loading and unloading is the human resources, and the unloading finishing parts for assemblies from the system, changing and setting tools, equipment maintenance and repair, NC part programming in a machining. Layout of FMS: progressive or line type, loop type, ladder type, open field type, robot centered type. First we have discussed about the progressive layout.